What is this? Secret package. Let's go open a new package. What's up, guys? Something's just arrived in the post. I have no idea what it is, but it says top secret. What is this? Just a box of really nicely crimped, shredded paper. What's in the box? Holy shit. Let's open it up. It's like double layered. It's like triple double layered. This is really hard to do with one hand. We need scissors.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I got it. Let's open it. Let's have a look. Hey Tyler, put these on, scan the code and hear me out. Yours, WP. I still don't know who WP is. Bose head. Wait, what? Wait, I am so excited. Oh my god. Bose AR. What are these? Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. Oh my god, these are quality. Always got the little silicone ball things, whatever these things are in there. Oh my god, the case is crazy. Oh, what's this? Start here. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. This top secret, by the way. So after I've watched this, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to release this video. Who knows? Who knows? But I don't care. It's so exciting. I'm like being sent on a top secret mission. Wow, look at... Oh, they are quality. They feel amazing. Bose, man. Incredible headphones.
Nice.
Okay, let's put them on and I'm going to listen to what this is. Guys, I'm about to watch the video or the decoded message they have sent me. Let's see what it's about. Here's my live reaction. Oh, hello, mister. How are you?
Hey, WordPress here with a top secret message. Now look, usually I don't address you with my problems unless it's an urgent update or an error. But this time, it's not just my problem, it's our problem. You see, apparently, Wix is coming out with a campaign trashing me. Yeah, I know, Wix. Anyway, I just want you to know it's totally fake news, completely bogus. They're just spreading lies because they're jealous of our relationship. I mean, sure, we've had our ups and down times, but heck, you just might be the most important user I've ever had, Mike.
Hey, my name's not Mike. What do you mean, Sarah?
I mean...
You forgot my name. You forgot my name.
I have so many users I kind of get mixed up. Anyway, just giving you a heads up, huh?
That was odd. Let me give you I'm going to show you on screen what this is and what... and you guys can have a listen to it yourself. And I don't know if I'm not supposed to share this or not, but top secret. This is actually from Wix, not WordPress. They're disguised as WordPress. And they have sent me some Bose headphones. High quality, they sound amazing. Now, as we all know, I'm a web developer and Wix is my native enemy. And WordPress is, something I use on a regular basis. And they're dissing WordPress here. But... they gave me free headphones. So, I mean, guys, it's probably worth checking out Wix, right? I mean, it's Wix. Like, create easy websites. If you don't want to be a programmer and you're not learning to be a programmer, but you want to start your business, but you ain't got much money, then go over to Wix, go check it out. I'm going to give them a shout. They haven't asked for this, by the way. This isn't a sponsored video. I mean, they did send me headphones, but this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. They just said, hey, they're going to send me a secret package. It's arrived in the mail, super excited for it, and bam, here we are. Now I am just sat here super happy because I got new headphones. Because I literally was just saying I need new headphones because mine are literally, you can see the cups there, absolutely deteriorating, getting ruined. I mean, I could just buy new cups, but also the wire is starting to become loose. And you can hear a bit of static in them, which isn't great. But wow, thank you very much, Wix. Everybody, Wix have just created an awesome campaign. I love it. They've sent me these Bose headphones, super high quality. You're not having them back. Thank you for the secret messages. Thank you for this fun little journey I've just had. And yeah, guys, check out Wix. Thanks a lot, guys, and peace out.